Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this performance jigsaw from Parkside, the model PPSTK 550A1 with 3 fast cutting progress thanks to the 3-stage adjustable pendulum action, 500 watts brushless motor, extra long life due to less wear and tear, no load stroke rate from 0 to 3800 SPM, stroke length 26mm, max cutting depth 120mm in wood, 10mm in non-ferrous metal. Features 3-stage pendulum action with parallel guide and laser. Accessories included. Compared to the Parkside Jigsaw oldest model, the PSTD 800C3, this one it has 10 times longer motor life, 50% faster cutting progress for wood and 22% higher pendulum stroke, with a 5 years warranty. All Parkside performance power tools, they have 5 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. On a durable, lovely case, black and red. Included we have the manual. A parallel guide that is not so straight. Okay. Now it is. The cable, detachable connection, I like that. And the tool. And one screw for the parallel guide. No cutting blades included. Okay, that is the first one. So no cutting blades included, but on Lidl store no availability. They only sell the tool. Included we have the power cord with a length 5 meters. Plug it in at the back. Press, rotate and it locks. Rotate and remove. That's very convenient, I like it. The screw for the guide rail. Loosen this screw. You can install it at the left or at the right. With the maximum length from 0 to 15 centimeter. Here you can connect your vacuum cleaner and extract the dust with this adapter or without. Soft elements around the tool, very robust. Left and right we have the on-off button, here and here. Very convenient. The button to turn on or off the dust blower function. The pendulum stroke switch, 0, we have 1, 2 or 3. I will show you later how it works. The stroke rate button, adjust from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and auto with a display for each numbers. Here we have this lever. You can pull and remove the plate. That is the first time that I see something like that. You can remove the dust extraction nozzle, clean it. You can remove this plastic plate. Even this transparent plate you can remove it. And then it's very easy to install everything back. We can see in the mechanism how it locks. And locks. And Let me show you how you can install the blade. You don't need to remove the base to install the blade, obviously. We have this release chuck mechanism. Let's remove the protective guard, transparent. Pull that. And install the blade. So easy. Okay. I like it. So this jigsaw, it doesn't cut on angle, only straight cuts. There is no adjustments for 45 degrees angle, 35 or 25 degrees angle, only straight cuts. And we can see the display, it is on, and you can choose auto 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we have the LED light switch, and for the laser, only the light, only the laser, and off. Light and laser, only light, only laser, and off. It doesn't start because you need to press twice. The same in here. And off. So let's move on outdoors and test this jigsaw. The versatile speed control for precise cutting, allowing the user to adjust speed according to the material type, from wood to metal, offers flexibility in cutting speed, ensuring optimal results while extending the life of the blade. The 4-step pendulum action offers enhanced cutting efficiency by adjusting the aggressiveness of the cut, with settings suitable for both faster, rougher cuts and smoother, fine cuts. The 550 watts motor provides enough power for precise cutting across different materials, including wood, plastic and metal. The adjustable speed control allows for tailored cuts depending on the material and the type of work required. With a comfortable grip and compact design, it ensures better handling, reducing fatigue during extended use. The Parkside Performance Jigsaw is a powerful and versatile tool designed for precision and ease of use. It is ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals, excellent for woodworking projects, home renovations and other DIY tasks requiring precise and powerful cutting. Woodworkers and hobbyists, great for those looking for versatile cutting option with adjustable speed and angles. General constructors, suitable for professional use on materials requiring a mix of speed, power and accuracy. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tool reviews, tips and project ideas. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay sharp, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.